what if I ask all of you to start drawing? Take your pencils and pens, but you have to draw without your hands. You have to paint without your fingers. What? Draw without hands and paint without fingers? Is that easy? But Anu Jain can. Anu Jain was born with no legs and arms, and she not just paints but is also a photographer. She's a design artist, and how does she do this? Did she learn from someone? No, and similar to her, there is another artist, Vilas Nayak, who learned it all by himself and started painting from the age of 3. And today, he's Asia's fastest speed painter. What makes the love of painting for both of them? How do they do that? How do they do it every day? Let's get into their world. And if you have your pencils and paper, sketch along with them. Get ready and let's see them paint and let's see you paint.
How do you, with the first ray, bloom? Don't you ever feel any gloom?
I was asked to be the symbol of love, have been sent from the skies above.
Blooming amidst many a thorn, how do you smile every night and dawn?
The color of love to the world I give, the love in me to share is why I live.
Your thorns hurt and scare, how would love be that you share?
My thorns are often misunderstood. At guarding me they are so good.
Wow, that was amazing. Great to have this art jugalbandi with you, Anu. I loved creating this artwork together. How did you feel doing this?
Same here, it was very relaxing and an enjoyable thing for me.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I always love roses a lot. Anything for roses.
Fantastic. I mean, you did an amazing job. Congratulations for that wonderful painting. I've seen a lot of your artworks actually, and you seem to be a trained artist. Are you?
No, I'm self-trained artist actually.
Oh.
I'm not a trained artist.
Okay.
I just took couple of art classes from a local teacher in West Bengal and
Okay.
learned some techniques of water painting as well as acrylic. That's it. Otherwise, I did by my own. I learned everything with my own.
Same with me. I mean, I am also a self-taught artist. People ask me, "Oh, did you go to any art college and all that?" But no, I mean, I really wanted to go and study art professionally, but I couldn't. I was actually unfortunately good in academics as well. I was a rank holder. So people are like, when you can, go and work as a, let's say, the usual professions that we talk about. Art is always seen as an unconventional career path in India, at least, right? So
Yeah.
I had to continue with my academics and didn't learn art professionally though. But it's good, right? I mean, in a way that we are not trained artists. In that way, we are free to do whatever we feel like, isn't it?
Yeah, very true.
Yeah. And I heard that you are also a teacher. What do
Yes,
you
I'm-
exactly do? If you can please explain to the audience who are watching us right now.
Yeah, I'm a teacher. I started my teaching career not as a career, just because where I was living beside my house there was a uncle auntie who started art classes. So they asked me, and you join because you do a great art thing. So I said, okay, I will join. Then I did join them. Later on, when I shifted to Bangalore, after looking at my website, my works, and my exhibition, I recently had my last solo exhibition in 2016 in Bangalore only.
Wow.
So while
Good.
looking at all those things, my apartment people has asked me, why don't you start taking classes in Bangalore too? मैंने कहा, okay,
Wonderful.
okay, I will think about it. Then I started taking classes of kids. I did lots of workshop for adults also.
I remember for India Inclusion Summit couple of years ago, we did a shoot at the Spastic Society of Karnataka, and I had to perform out there in front of so many kids, and we had a great time shooting and
Wow.
performing for all the
Performing
kids.
in front of kids is really always a cherishable and
Yes,
like
yes,
memorable,
yes.
and you can spend more and more times with them, I guess.
Yeah, because what I feel is they because of the innocence that they have, and they will give you the most honest feedback. They like it, they'll tell you. They don't like it, they don't. So, do you have anything? I have been asking you a lot of questions. I'm sorry. This should
No
look
worry.
like an interview. But do you have anything to share or ask?
Yeah, I like to know about your life story, your journey, and what is your dream? Like, what do you want to be in
Oh.
in your future? Because
What
I
is-
have
what-
never dreamt anything.
No, actually, sometimes the dream can be like very vaguely we want to be someone, but then along the way you can't really predict, right, what happens in future. Like I remember when I was a kid, I used to paint like 8 to 10 hours a day. Like we didn't have any disturbance at that point of time. I'm talking about 25 years ago, right?
That time no
Well, times
mobile,
when-
the main disturbance thing.
no social media, which is obviously good also now, through which we are able to interact. But then also as an artist, you will do better if you are less distracted. You need that focus, to paint. And I had that during my childhood, and I would spend a lot of time painting. Got a lot of awards as a kid. That encouraged me to go on and pursue my dream. I used to work for a software company here as an HR. After working for about 6 years, I quit my job because I wanted to chase my dream of passion, which is art. And 2011, I took that calculated risk to become a full-time artist. Now, you asked me what you want to become. In one way, I feel like I'm already living my dream. Because how many people actually get the chance to live their dream, isn't it? Like for me, it has been a dream journey actually moving from a corporate world to do actually something which I really wanted to do. This has really been an amazing journey, but as an artist, there is always scope for improvement. And I look at my artworks and I feel maybe I should do something different. Maybe, that part of the painting hasn't come out really well. That dissatisfaction will lead to something more beautiful in future. Let's see how it goes.
True.
Do you also feel, when you have painted something, like for me, a lot of on-stage performances that I do, sometimes people give standing ovation also, but then I come backstage and I'll be thinking, I should have done that better, that part of painting or something. Does that happen to you also as an artist?
Yeah, always actually. There is always a scope of improvement. Whenever you look at it again and again now, you find, oh, I could have done this, I could have done that. So it's always there. Actually, I think everyone is a student full life.
All right. So, Anu, this has been an amazing journey for you also. I have seen a lot of your works. Fantastic. But I want to know, what do you want to do in future? Do you have any plans? Do you want to create something more amazing in future? Please share with us.
My plan is to share the knowledge with everyone
Okay.
and let people know who am I, what I do.
Okay.
Simple not complicated.
Fantastic.
What about you? What's your plan? What do you want?
A lot of plans actually. I mean,
Oh,
there's
wow.
no end for an aspiration, right? You know, we can aspire to become more and more and do a lot of creative stuff. But as an artist, I want to do a lot of oil paintings going forward. I've done a lot of speed paintings till now, but one of the area where I want to concentrate more is definitely the fine art space. And with regards to the performing art space, I have performed in 36 countries as of now. My dream is to perform in at least 100 countries, you know, because
Oh
I'm,
my God.
yeah, because there's no language barrier at least for art, right? You can go to
Yeah.
any place and perform, people will still be able to connect. That's the beauty of art, and I'm so thankful that through this medium, I'm able to connect with you and so many more amazing people who are watching us right now. So thank you so much,
Thank
India
you so
Inclusion
much.
Summit, for making this happen, and thank you, Anu, for
Thank you so much,
for
Vilas.
being part of this and able to do this amazing piece of artwork together.
Same here. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.